Hello and welcome. In this session, let us understand the Python code to create multiple threads. We have the program here for multi-threading. Since we are dealing with threads, we need to import the library threading as shown here. The threading module in Python is used to create and manage threads, which allows a program to run multiple tasks concurrently. In this code, we have two definitions, print underscore letters and print underscore numbers. We will revisit these functions later. Here in this program, our aim is to create two separate threads and each can execute independently. Here we are calling thread definition available from threading library and threads are created and named thread1. Similarly, we are creating second thread and thread 2 is created. Next, we need to start the execution of the thread by calling start in order to start thread 1, and we need to call start using thread 2. Similarly, we can create both thread 1 and thread 2. Now the scheduler will schedule these threads and will start executing. The entry point for these threads is the function mentioned while creating the thread. That is, for thread 1, the entry function is print underscore numbers, and for thread 2, the entry function is print underscore letters. They are also called as thread handlers in Five context. These threads are independently scheduled and the threads start executing until they exit the function. As per our requirement, we need to design the thread handlers to achieve the use case scenario. Now, let us execute this program and analyze its output. After running the single Python program, we can see from output thread print underscore number is called and then thread print underscore letters is called. This is called once we create the thread and start the thread. Now we can see both threads executing. The print from both functions are called in a loop and printed accordingly. Such threads in Python are very helpful in real-time projects where many tasks needs to run parallelly. Thank you for joining this session.